Hello guys, now this is the thank you card. Now what you have to do is you have to click here for your template. Now I click here for my template. It will open the Google Data Studio report. Now this is the report which you are going to see, but this is not your data, right? This is not your Google Analytics account. So what you have to do is you have to go here. Can you see here, use my own data? So you have to click here, use my own data, and you have to click here your own data. But make sure that you connect to Google Analytics 4 account, not the Universal Analytics account, because the Universal Analytics is gone now. It's no more valid. So you have to use the GA4. If I click here, GA4, GA4 and add. Okay. So in this way, it will open your Google Analytics 4 account. Continue. Can you see? This is now your data. Now if you paste this link, then if you don't get use my data own data, use my own data over here. So what you can do is that click here these three bars, make copy. Okay, your country, for example, if you are in United States, for example, I'm just giving you United States, then you can write your company name, whatever it is. Okay, I agree, continue. Then click yes to all. If you want tips and recommendations, product announcements, market research, whatever the options you select. Okay, yes, no. I'll just click yes to all. Then I'll click here continue. Okay, so this is done. So now what you can do is make a copy and you have to select your own data. For example, oh my god, yeah, create data source. You can select your particular, I don't have your Google Analytics account on this particular data, but you have to authorize it. This authorization, let me check. Yes, authorization is done, and you can select your Google Analytics for data. Yes, I have it. Just wait for some time. Yeah. Add to report, copy report. Okay, now this Google Analytics for data is populated with this data. Okay, so that is the way of doing this. It's taking a lot of time actually. See, last year's data is totally been different than 23 and 15 is there, but if you compare this one, see 22 and 14. Okay, so you can change the dates over here. Thank you. Now we'll go through this report one by one. First, we will see the matrix. First one is the total users. It means how many number of users, how many total number of users are visiting your website. The higher number of users, it means that your website is good, your content is good, it's more engaging, the layout, the colors, everything is perfect. New users, it means how many new users are visiting to your website. Higher the number, better it is. The engagement rate, engagement sessions, and user engagement. Engagement means the person who visits your website, how many times they click on the button, how many times they open the image, how many times they download the PDF files or maybe any files, or how many times they click on the YouTube video or play the video. So it's more like an engaging factors. The engagement rate, are in the percentage column, percentage one, the higher it is better. Engage sessions, higher the number, it is good. And the user engagement, it is in the hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, all the factors are higher the numbers, better it is. Okay, now we will go through the reports one by one. Now, regarding the Google Data Studio account, you will get tons of video about how to create Google Data Studio account. If you go through the YouTube, okay, and type here Google Data Studio account, it's hardly, can you see here, 2 minutes video. It will take just 2 minutes to open this Google Data Studio account. It's that simple. Okay. I'll go through the reports one by one. First one is the page title report and the landing page report. Both the reports are almost same, because here I have given the page title, it means it will show as a title, and here it will show it as a URL. Okay, now what do you mean by the page title report and what is its use? Page title, it means it will show as which landing pages are performing good. Okay, which page path is performing good. Now suppose you want to you're running the Google Ads campaign and you're confused that which landing page should I use to promote my website. So at that time you just go through this report, and you will see, okay, this page is having higher number of users, and its engaged sessions is also higher, and the user engagement rate is also good. So I will target this page on the Google Ads account. Now if you see here the higher number of users are there, but the engagement rate is much higher for this potty training page. So at that time you can decide which page is, getting higher engagement rate. If you think that, okay, this page is getting much more higher rate, so I will target this page. So in this report you will get to know that which page I should use for the Google Ads account. The higher engagement rate, it is a good, even though you're getting a lot of visitors. But if you see here, like this page or maybe this page, just don't go through these pages because it has very less users and the engagement is higher. You just go through this one because there are a lot of users are there, a lot of users visited the website. So if you see here the higher percentage rate is for the potty training. The engagement rate is also much higher. Okay, new users are also better. So you can go through this page, potty training, and the depends upon your website, like one or two you can go through that one. What the second report is the location report. The location report, it means which countries and cities are driving more traffic for my website. Now for my website, I'm getting a lot of visitors from the United States, and that to be the city of Los Angeles and San Jose. So I'm getting a lot of visitors from these cities. Or when I run any campaign, or maybe if I'm running Facebook campaign or any social media campaign, I will target those cities for this one, so that I will get more users or visitors from that particular city. The next one is the age and gender report. You want to see the which age group and which genders from I'm getting a lot of traffic. Now for this particular age group, I'm getting a lot of traffic from unknown. That's fine, because sometimes user don't put their age, so it shows it as a unknown. But if you see here down here, I'm getting a lot of visitors from the 25 to 35 age group, like 25 to 44. You can say I'm getting a lot of good visitors. 18 to 35, yes, 18 to 25 is much more better target area for me. So that, so what is this, what is the use of this age and gender report? Age and gender report are generally used for any paid campaigns, like if you're running any Google Ads or Facebook campaigns or any social media campaigns. There is an option where you can target the particular age group. You have to select the age group, you have to select the gender and all that, so you can use this one. And also suppose you wanted to write new ad copy, so at that time you can think about this particular age group. Now my age group is between 18 to 35, it's more younger people. Now younger people are visiting more my website, so I will write that type of content for my website or maybe social media post or maybe ad copies. So these are the important factors. Now I'm getting a lot of visitors from only female, then I may target my paid marketing campaigns considering only female audience. Okay, so this one is the agent gender report. Now the next one is the days report. It means which days are driving more traffic for my website. Okay, now according to this report, I'm getting a lot of traffic on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and all that. I'm getting a lot of traffic from these days, so I will target this particular days for any further marketing. For example, like if you go through here, Wednesdays are performing good. If you see here the bar, the Wednesdays, Tuesdays are performing good for my website. I don't know why it is showing 7. I will just rectify it. Okay. I will rectify whatever the this is there. Maybe some 7 or something is happened. So I'll just do that. Now what is the use of this days report? Now these days reports are, suppose you want to post any particular content on the social media platform and you're really confused that on which particular day I should promote my content. So these are the days where you can go and publish your content. So that is the important factor. Like in on this particular day I'm getting a lot of traffic. So generally I feel that mornings are the best for any promotion. Like even I have done a lot of Instagram promotion, like morning times or maybe the night times are the good ones where people are a little bit free, so you can promote on those particular days and those particular timings. Okay, the next one is the interest report. You might be thinking that why this is important. These are extremely important when you're doing any Google Ads campaign and Facebook campaign. You know, on the Facebook campaign, you are doing the interest based targeting. And in Google Ads, also, there is one section called the audience section in the Google Ads platform where you have to add this interest, and these are really high convertible. You know, these audiences are there. If you add these audiences in your Google Ads platform, you will get tons of good conversions, and this is my experience. So these interests are really good. You can target, take this interest, you can target on your Facebook campaign, maybe Google Ads campaign, or maybe suppose you wanted to promote any backlinks and all that. Like you wanted to do a blog commenting or forum commenting and all that, you can go through different types of these websites and you can, you know, match the content and then you can do the backlinks also. So this is the most important. I say this is the most important report out of this all. The next one is the language report. The language report, it means the which particular language is more popular for my website. Suppose, for example, if you are getting a lot of visitors from the Spanish also, then you may later on consider translating your website to the Spanish also. So you will get tons of users from the Spanish people also. So this is also really a good thing. This is also good for your paid marketings also. There is an option where you can do the language targeting and all that. So this is the good one. But make sure that if you're targeting Spanish or maybe Chinese, Russian, French, or anything, make sure that your website is of that particular language. Like for example, I'm targeting Spanish people and Spanish language, but I'm landing to the English websites. It's misleading, right? Because the Spanish people, they want that Spanish language website. So later on, if you wanted to think that okay, I want my website to be there in two languages, then this report is perfect for you. Okay, the next one is the device report. It means how much traffic I'm getting from the mobile, desktop, and tablet. This is most important thing, because make sure, like if you're getting a lot of traffic from the mobile, make sure that your website looks really good on the mobile, because sometimes your mobile looks really good on the desktop and your mobile version is not that great. So this report is also really good. If you're getting a lot of traffic from the mobile, make sure that your mobile responsive rate is good, it's fast, it's loading fast, it looks really great and all that. You can also do the targeting if you're doing the paid marketing one This report is excellent for your any paid marketing campaign. Suppose you wanted to target only the mobile users, you can just go through this report and target. If I'm getting lot of traffic from the mobile, I will target only the mobile device. So this one is perfect report, and the next one is the sources and medium report. It means from which source you are getting lot of traffic. Like from my website, if I'm getting a lot of traffic from Google CPC, yes, because I'm doing a lot of paid campaigns for this particular website, so I'm getting higher number of traffic from the paid users. I'm getting a lot of traffic from the referrals also. I'm getting a lot of traffic from direct, like someone is typing directly on the URL. I'm getting a lot of traffic from organic and all that. So in this way, you can come to know from where this I'm getting a lot of users from which particular websites. Okay. So I can use that for remarketing campaigns also, like Facebook audience. Later on, we can do the URL parameters and all that. You can use as a remarketing and all that. For example, if you want to generate the backlinks and all that, you can think, okay, I'm getting a lot of traffic from this particular sources and all that. So I will think about those websites and I will get a lot of backlinks. Then it's really a good report where you can analyze the various sources of medium where you are getting lot of traffic. If I'm getting lot of traffic from the Google CPC or maybe the Facebook, I'm getting lot of traffic, then I may promote more on those particular source and medium where I will get lot of clicks and maybe the conversions also. So in this way, these are all the 9 reports which I have given to you. Page title and landing page are almost same. Only the thing is that here titles are there and here landing page URLs are there, because sometimes they don't want to see the URL. You can see the title where the entire title is visible. Okay. Rest all the location, age, and days, interest, everything are the important. I have given the reports according to organic also, like SEO purpose also, and also given as a paid marketing also. Like someone wants to pay on the Facebook or maybe the Google, so these reports are really important for both organic and the paid one. Okay. Regarding the Google Data Studio and the Google Analytics 4 accounts, suppose you wanted to create the Google Data Studio account, there are tons of videos are available. Hardly 2 minutes work is there. Okay. So you can just go through the YouTube, because I'm not going to waste my time over here, because these are most easiest thing. For the Google Analytics 4 also, there are tons of videos are available right now, because someone are having the WordPress website, someone is having Squarespace and all that, everything. So just go through the videos and you just see how to install that. But that is really easy. Okay. And if you have any doubts, just let me know. Okay. So these, I hope these reports will be helpful for you. Thank you.